Those raisins, Jack. Are they good? Where's Anka?
Jack, who's this?
Anka. Pop. Pop.
Jack, who's this? Who's this? Who's that?
Papa. Papa.
What's this, Jack?
Papa.
What's this?
Papa. Papa.
Hey, camera person.
Papa.
Jack, what's this? Jack, what's this? Say it one more time. What's this, Jack? Well, he said it, and you all heard it. Jack, eat the raisins with the fork. Use the fork. That was the whole point of the video. Silly boy.
Well, there's some more raisins in there, Frank, if you want to.
Alright, here, use the fork. You do it. No, you gotta stab it. You gotta stab it.
It's doing much better before.
There you go. Stab it. That's pretty good technique there.
He ate the whole first pile with the fork, and then he got a little impatient, I guess.
No, you got put on stage.
Oh, Gloria. You're 3 weeks old. Sleeping. Sleeping.
Papa.
Yeah, that's the baby. That's the baby. It's your sister, Jack.
Mama.
I don't approve.
Jack, where's Daddy? Daddy's gonna hit the golf ball.
Alright, Jack, you ready? Are you watching? You watching, Jack? You watching? Go! Alright, Jack, do a circle. Do a circle. Okay, do tippy toes. Tippy toes. Tippy toes. Okay, now big steps. Big steps. Big steps. Big steps. Big steps. Okay, you want to hit the golf ball? No, come over here with Daddy. You can hit. Come with Daddy. Come
I
here.
like the arms, the flailing arms.
Okay, you ready? Are you ready? Good.
Tiger Woods in the making.
Good. 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 Go get the golf ball. Here, pick it up and bring it to Daddy. Bring it to Daddy. Jack, what's this? Jack, what's this? What's this? What's this, Jack? What's this, Jack? What's this? What kind of ball? What kind of ball, Jack? What kind of ball? Yes, golf ball. Are you ready, Jack? You ready? 1, 2, 3.
Go!
Go get it!
Run, run,
Go
run!
get it! Go get it! Go get the golf ball. It's on the other side of the baby. Other side of the table. There it is.
Hi, Gloria.
Baba.
Baby doesn't do much.
Ready, Jack? Okay, Jack, you ready? Whoa, ready? Oops. Where's I got it. I got it. Throw it. You have a good arm. Oops.
Okay, that's it. I'm done.
Alright.
Jack, Jack. Say bye-bye, Mommy.
Say bye-bye, Mommy.
Bye, Mama. Bye, Mama.
I mean, how cute can you be with those?
That was adorable. Hi!
Blow Ricky a kiss.
Okay,
Blow her a kiss.
go get it.
Have a kiss. Blow her a kiss. Dile
Go
Alexa.
get Jack.
Dile Filaki, Alexa.
That's great.
Alexa, Filaki stile. She's not shy like her mother was.
Every day stuff.
Yeah.
Bilingual already.
Pretty much. You know, I mean, she can like tell her to come here.
Yeah.
She'll understand it.
Go get Alexa.
She'll say not like no.
Jack,
Yeah.
go give Alexa a kiss. Go give Alexa a kiss.
What's going on in your own house? There's another brother who just wants-
Go give Alexa a kiss. Alexa, give Jack a kiss.
I mean, I'm saying, I talk a little.
Okay, go chase Jack.
Well, she gets to have summers and things like we did.
I want to make sure that we don't neglect her.
You don't have much for you.
Alexa, go get him.
Look at that, she's smiling.
She smiles like she knows.
I
Are you
can't
talking
get over
about-
how much she smiles.
I
Oh my goodness.
know, she's amazing.
Wow.
Look at Alexa.
Look how wide awake she is.
Okay, no, you can,
The body
you can do
shape.
nice here.
Kind of nice look if I like it do
Nice.
nice.
Stop.
Cigar,
that's
cigar,
a nice
cigar, cigar.
girl.
Cigar, cigar,
Okay.
nice.
Okay.
Nice, look at that. Nice. Nice. Yeah. Yeah.
Look how she's staring at Brola.
She's like, you look familiar. You got that look,
For such a new baby.
dark hair.
Alexa, ¿te saca ni mamá baby? ¿Eh? ¿Te saca ni mamá baby que tiene? ¿Ya? ¿Mamá baby? Yeah.
Baby.
Okay.
Okay, one coming up.
Yeah, yeah.
Jack, we're gonna do
Patty
patty cake. Ready?
Patty cake, patty